Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel for another skincare video. I'm Monica and I hope you keep your skin fresh and smooth and beautiful and youthful and all of the things. Today we are going to talk about pillowcases and specifically how long to go without washing them or to wash them, how to frequently wash them. Okay, so how long should you wait until you wash your pillowcases? Any guesses? Crickets? Anything? No? Okay, so it's honestly like every few days you want to be washing your pillowcases, which I know sounds like a lot, so maybe think of it as like once a week, you know, throw them in with the rest of your laundry because they collect all of your skin cells, all of the like your gunk on your face. You sweat or you drool and then you roll in your drool and then you know, it's just gross, especially if you sleep with animals, which I know some of you do. So wash your pillowcases. Like, you don't want all your dog stuff or your cat stuff or your bunny fluff all on your face too. Yeah, you wanna, I like keep looking at my pillows and I'm like, I need to wash them. But yeah, about once a week, more like every few days, but once a week is totally fine. Wash your pillowcases. And honestly, it's just like anything else. Like, you wanna wash your face every day. You wanna like lay down your face on something that's clean and fresh. Something else though, that was just in my mind and now I forgot. Oh no, oh no. Okay, whatever. Shoot. Crickets. I feel like high pressure when I forget something really makes me uncomfortable, especially because I try not to edit these videos. But I'm gonna have to. What was I saying? Wash your pillowcases every few days. Okay. I remembered what I was going to say. Oh my gosh, there were so many like dull moments there. Probably cut it out though. Yeah, probably did. Oh my gosh. So anyway, what I was trying to say is when you wash your pillowcases, you want to, actually this is like with kind of everything, but you want to be careful about what laundry detergent you use. Try to make it as natural as possible, obviously, but also try to make it fragrance free because you don't want fragrance all over your face. It's almost the same for skincare too, unless it's like natural products, blah blah blah, toxic blah blah blah. Yeah, so that's all that I have today. I know that was like super short, but people forget those little things too, and I love throwing like little tips at you guys. So, pillowcases, wash them. Yay! And that's really all I have. Wash them with really good laundry detergent, and keep your face super clean and clear. And I love you guys.